Come on in, have a seat. See, it's 3:14. The jury's back in the courtroom. You may be seated. We're back on the record in City versus Hewlin, 51014-202. Let's see, Ms. Wilson, it looks like you might be the presiding juror. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Are you the presiding juror?
Cedric.
Oh, you're Cedric?
Cedric.
How come I thought you were Ms. Wilson?
I don't know. There is no.
Ms. Wilson was the 6'1" with the long red
Go
hair.
on. Oh yeah, okay, I see what happened. This is the original 6, so Ms. Shadwick.
Yeah.
Okay, are you the presiding juror?
Yes,
We don't do this like they do on TV. I'm gonna have you give the paperwork to my clerk, please. You don't get to read the verdict out loud. Sorry.
that's okay.
And then she'll show it to me. And then I will have her read it out loud. Some of my clerks don't like to do that either, but this one's been here for quite some time and I'm sure she's fully capable. So Becky, if you will please read the verdicts into the record.
All right, we as the jury find the defendant Daniel Van Ulen not guilty of the crime of malicious mischief in the third degree as charged in count 2. We as the jury find the defendant Daniel Van Ulen not guilty of the crime of assault in the fourth degree as charged in count 1.
Mr. Hersey, would the city like to have the jury poll?
No.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as Mr. Hersey mentioned earlier, you put in a lot of work. We do appreciate you being here yesterday and today. It can be a cumbersome process. I guess lucky for you, it was a couple day trial. It can be a lot worse, as you know, or a lot longer in other courts. But I want to thank you on behalf of the justice system for the time and energy and effort that you put into the case. All of the admonishments that I have given you over the past 2 days are now lifted. You can talk to anybody that you want about the case. You don't have to talk to anybody, but I know lawyers like to talk to jurors. I don't know if Mr. Hewlin wants to talk to you or not. You certainly don't have to talk to anyone, but you can talk to anyone that you like. We are Becky's going to collect your badges, and I don't think there's anything else that we need you for today. You're free to go, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Having the jury find that Mr. Hewlin not guilty, the court will rescind the no contact order that was in place in this matter. And I will put that in writing for you, Mr. Hewlin, so you will have a copy of it to take with you today, because it might take a while to get out of the system, out of the database. So you guys are free to go. Thank you so much for your time and energy and effort. So why don't you just wait a second so I can put this in writing for you.
Good luck in Arizona. Yeah, for sure. Hey, good job, you had good instincts on your questions.
It's definitely obvious.
I know it was hard, but you did well. Yeah, you take the stairs or the elevator? Thank you, guys. Have a good weekend.
Hi,
Hi.
was there any bail? There's no bail in this case, right? It has to be exonerated.
No, he came in on a summons.
Oh. What was that?
I'm just rescinding with no contract order. So here's an order to that effect. If you want to make a copy for Mr. Yulin, I just think he should have one because I don't know how quickly it's going to get removed from the system. And well, we will notify BPD today to take it out, but it's possible that tonight or tomorrow it'll still be in. So I want you to have a copy. So you can show. Okay. Okay. Congratulations. Good work. Anything else? Let's see, the exhibits are here. We'll put the verdict in the file.
Not a problem with me.
Okay.
Set?
Yeah, we can go off record. And I guess we'll go off YouTube also. Let's wait till we're off.